In NASA Mission Control, he studies the impossible, knowing every mission begins long before the rocket ignites. In NASA's archives, he feels the courage of the pioneers who imagined beyond Earth.
He and his team push every limit because at NASA, perfection is mandatory. In the giant hangar, a Middle Eastern man watches South Asian engineers build hope, bolt by bolt. As he faces the rocket, he knows this isn't just science. This is the American spirit.
His hands tremble, not from fear, but respect for the mission ahead.
At sunrise, an East Asian male astronaut in his 40s stands before the rocket, dreaming of the moment humanity breaks the sky again.
Time races. The team moves, each second bringing them closer to history. With thunder in the sky, he knows every journey begins with courage.
As others sleep, he studies the data alone. Space forgives no mistakes. The engines roar alive.
Hustlers, this is what dreamers build.
The engines roar alive.
Hustlers, this is what dreamers build.
High above Earth, the satellite unfolds like wings, proof of human brilliance.
In the silent depths, he trains his mind for the darkness of space.
In his helmet's reflection, he sees not himself, but an entire world waiting for answers.
Floating weightless, he remembers why he chose this path: to rise where few have risen.
In the barren desert, every test matters. Each inch brings us closer to Mars.
Each step on the moon is a promise that humanity will always reach for more.